Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about networking strategies for career and personal growth. About 80% of jobs aren't publicly posted, they're filled through connections. So, networking really matters. But it's not just about business cards or climbing the ladder. Great networking helps you grow, both professionally and personally. It's about building real, mutually helpful relationships. Careers are built on trust, and people work with who they know. Why it matters. Networking isn't just awkward events. It happens at work, at the gym, or through friends. Professional networking boosts your career. Personal networking supports your mental health and gives you a sense of belonging. Real connection creates a support system. It offers advice, encouragement, and even job leads. And it's good for your mind too. Networking helps fight loneliness and makes you feel seen and valued. Smart networking tips. 1. Be real. People connect with authenticity, not perfection. 2. Make it personal. Remember names and what matters to them. 3. Show interest. Ask thoughtful questions before talking about yourself. 4. Prep ahead. Know who's attending so you feel ready. 5. Focus on depth. One strong connection beats 50 surface level ones. 6. Use online platforms. Be real, and use strategy to stand out. 7. Let your profile speak. Share your mission and goals clearly. 8. Engage with purpose. Comment and share meaningfully, don't scroll aimlessly. 9. Set boundaries. Use your time wisely. Log off when needed. When networking feels hard, it's normal to feel nervous. Prep a few talking points and aim for a few good convos instead of trying to impress everyone. If you're an introvert, you don't have to work the room. You thrive in one-on-one chats. Focus on a few strong connections. Prep ahead, and pace yourself. Handling rejection. Not everyone will respond, and that's okay. Don't take it personally. Focus on the people who do engage. Networking is part of life. Whether you love crowds or prefer quiet chats, show up with intention, stay real, and your network will become a source of strength, not stress. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.